Well, ladies and gentlemen, today is July 21st. It's almost 4 a.m. And we're looking at the Dow Jones average, and we can see that this market wants to edge higher. We said a couple of days ago that this structure will be filled, and as you can see, it's continued to edge higher. The next target is this level right here. And if this is sustained by economic news, then we go up to this next target. So today, if you are trading the Dow Jones, you would just want to buy a pullback on the upside. Today, you should be a buyer, not a seller. But the daily is rising, so we expect the market to break through this level right here and then go up. I may be wrong. There could be some news that will make this prediction unreliable, but for now, my bias is on the upside. I hope this helps. Happy trading.